Hi, how are you all? So in today's video, I will tell you one amazing exercise and one superb stretch for your plantar fasciitis. Now, the main symptoms are heel pain, swelling around the heel, stiffness and pain in the arch of the foot. Now, why do we get it? We get it because of the overweight, flat foot, too much impact-based activities over the period of time, and the morning evening walks that we do on cemented area. Exactly. That's also give us plantar fasciitis. Many times with exercise and stretches, the symptoms go away. Like shown in the video, you have to roll the ball all over your plantar by applying pressure on the ball. I prefer wooden ball over the tennis ball because it massages the plantar better, as you can see in the video. I'm standing and rolling it all over the foot. You know what? Our body has an amazing soft tissue which is called fascia. It is present everywhere in our body. Think of it as a wrapping paper, and when the wrapping paper gets tight, everything that's inside squashes. Hence, we get all these aches and pains in our body. So, by rolling the ball, we are trying to release that fascia tightness. Now, as you can see, that I am seated on a chair and doing the same exercise. Why I am doing this? I am doing it for the people who cannot stand for longer period or who have any kind of problem by standing. Hence, you can do the same exercise by sitting on a chair. Also, if you notice that I have a towel and on top of that I have ball. Why I am doing that? So that it doesn't slip away and I have a good grip of the ball. And now this towel grabbing stretch is another terrific stretch to relieve from heel and arch pain. You have to try to grab the towel from all the five toes. You may not be able to grab it first, but with consistency, you will get there. It's a great stretch even for the people who has arthritis. This helps to release the tight fascia by increasing the blood flow in the foot. If you like the video, do subscribe it, like it, leave a comment. If you feel that somebody needs it, do share it with them.